What is up, guys? It's your boy Raven, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Red Dragon K630 61 key mechanical keyboard. I do already own one of these, and I am replacing on my gaming PC from my Logitech G413, which started having keyboard chatter. I had the other keyboard, which is the black variant. It's actually plugged in, so I don't know if you can get it too well in the, but look at how nice that RGB and pink looks on the black. I stole it from my workplace. It's mine because I'm the boss of my own business, and I'm using it at home, and I wanted to buy a new one and replace. So as you can see, we've got the keyboard, we've got the keycap clip, if that's what you want to call it. What else have we got here? There's some extra keys. It says it is a red switch. There comes your USB-C. It's a wired keyboard with a USB-C to USB. And not sure where my screen went a bit blue there. It's bare bones. Oh, there's some manuals that fell out. There's not much to say about the manuals on this keyboard, but I just thought I'll unbox a nice shiny new keyboard for you guys to see. Does feel like my old one, very similar to my old one, and that is it. It's gonna have RGB lighting on it. It feels nice and solid. It's got a nice weight to it as a 61 keyboard, 60% keyboard. And yeah, I'm gonna plug this in and get gaming. So yeah, that's it. Nothing much to say. Just a pretty stock standard. This is the sound of the keys when you're typing. I'm gonna actually put it down and type, because this is what you're gonna be hearing when you type. Compared to my other one, which is about, I think the other one's about 2 years old, the black one that I showed you, which is exactly the same model actually. And this is the typing sound of that. Let me just click there and say, not sure if you can hear a difference. Other one's a bit more clicky because it's a bit more new, but as usual, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. This is your boy Raven signing out, and let me know your thoughts on Red Dragon and Red Dragon keyboards. I just can't justify paying so much for keyboards, and the price to performance on the Red Dragon products, not all of them, but a lot of them is good, and I'm happy with that. So this is your boy Raven signing out, and I'll see you guys on the next unboxing or live stream. Take it easy, guys.